What's up guys? On today's video I'm showing you how to get Ungated on Amazon to sell on different categories. As a new seller, until we build a good relationship with Amazon and have trust with Amazon will restrict us in most categories. So how do we get Ungated in those categories? I will show you a simple ways that I get Ungated on different categories, and here you go. So let's say we go to inventory and we click add product. Once we get there, for example, let's say we want to sell Mario cars. Mario cars. So when you see here, let's say we want to sell this car. So we click here, click new, and as soon as we click new, it says apply to sell. When you click that one, it will bring you to this page. It will ask you to request for approval. So how do we get approval here? What we do is we find a website or a company that sells this kind of product, and we have to buy 10 products of those cars. That's an example. So we have to buy 10 products of that from a company who sell them, and we have to have an invoice that has our address, showing the products and stuff. So for example, I have this website in Canada. It's called the Bargain Shop. Usually I go here if I want to get Ungated on some kind of categories. So I'm sure they don't sell Mario cars over here, I think. So for example, let's say this is a Mario car section. What you do is you buy 10 of the same product, and once the product shipped towards you, you will receive invoice, and that invoice has to show your 10 products, and also it has to have the address that Amazon has on. So your Amazon address and the invoice address has to be the same. And once you got all in hand, you have to take a picture of those 10 products, and yeah, you will attach it here. Once you click here request approval, there is a questions that Amazon will ask you, and you will attach the invoice and the picture of those 10 products. Once Amazon receive those, you will get approved right away. Once you get approved, you can sell in that category. That's how I get Ungated, and this is a short video. I hope it will help someone.